Hello everybody, and today's video is a voiceover, but we are doing the Winter Village races. So these are the shortcuts, and I'm only doing the voiceover because I want to just notify you of any times I screwed up, so that you know not to follow that as a shortcut. Pretty much there are two variations of this first race. This is variation number 1. This one you can actually jump off this ice sled on purpose. And I don't actually know which one is faster. They both brought up pretty equal times, as I did mess up a few times in each one, like twice. So I don't know if it's entirely accurate. But I know that they're both pretty quick, and I find this one more fun, just because you get to jump off the ice sled. So yeah, also both of these times I did have to jump over that sleigh, which can also impact your time. Now that's when I fell. Now normally what you can do is you don't jump off of that, because that's going to make you fall. What you have to do is you have to fall off it. I could not get a recording of that because my thing would not record. But anyway, also I ran into the house here. No, I didn't. Oh, it's the other one. Never mind. You have to fall off the ice bridge and then jump as soon as you hit the ground. That way you will not. I also obviously failed that jump. But that way you don't skid to a stop like that. And when you do that, I find it super fun. It's really quick. It's really easy. And then you can just, when you get to that point, jump through the ice slide to get to the checkpoint. You cannot jump off any earlier because the checkpoints for some reason do not count for the earlier ones. They only count for those last few. Here, now this is the second variation where you do not jump off the thing at all. While it has less risk, I find it less fun. And I don't actually know which one is actually like faster or slower. They're both pretty quick. As I did mess up on both of them a few times, so I couldn't get like a super accurate thing, but they were practically like the same. So, yeah. You want to make sure that when you do these races, you're trying to stick to the closest edge. Obviously there, I don't bother going to the closest edge because I'm going to have to go to this edge quite soon after. But you want to make sure you're going in the smallest round possible, as that is how you run a race, that's how you SSO a race. See there, I didn't ever jump off. I just kind of do this. Now here, I did bump into the house a little bit, which sent me that way. Obviously don't do that. Take as tight of a turn as you possibly can. I always fail that jump, you guys. I'm really sorry about that. So that's my bad. Alright, now we should be going on. So, well, first I gotta collect my XP. There's this glitch right now where my high score races disappear once I've logged off, and I already got the XP for the 4 ones. It's really weird. But anyway, this is the other Winter Village race. This race can be hard because this ice slide is so annoying. I had to redo this race so many times to get the ice slide part good. You want it to do something like that, or even just not like that, but you want to take a tight turn, and you don't want to send yourself flying into a house, which happened to me way too many times. Wait, so annoying. Oh my gosh. I had to redo that race so many times to get it right, you guys. You should be thankful for the work I do for this. This part's also difficult, and this is the best way I found to get past this, is just to go around like that. It's hard to find a way around, especially because of the ice. Hard to find a good way around this stuff. Also, don't bump into that the way I did. That was a mistake. But I was like, what the heck? The rest of this race turned out well, and I don't feel like retaking it for the 15th time, so I didn't. The cannons, I always shift my camera angle like that. It's just, I find it much easier to see when the cannons are actually coming out. If you don't have to jump, don't, because obviously it's faster to just not jump. Obviously on all of those I did have to jump. Now if you do that right, you can get ahead of that present there. There I swerved a little bit, I didn't need to do that. It's always fastest to go in a straight line, but, so that was a little bit of a mess up, but you can jump over that rock like I showed you. Coming over here, not much you can do, just sort of jump over that stuff. Now this one, it is faster to go left. Right, you have to go all the way around that mountain thing. Left, you just kind of go straight there. And here I tried to follow the curve of the slide as much as possible to make it the quickest. It might be faster just to stay on that far left edge the entire race, but it's however you want to do it. You can see here I was being really careful. You don't want to fall off. If you fall off, you sometimes take a dangerous fall and sometimes you don't. So. Boing! There we go. That was the Winter Village races. Super happy that I could show you guys these, and I hope you used this well.